Today we start the topic collection of blood by venous method. So first is requirements: sterilized syringe and needle, specimen collecting tubes, cotton, spirit, tourniquet, etc. The first is syringe with needle, specimen collecting tubes, cotton, spirit, tourniquet. So these are the requirements which we use in lab when we collect the patient's blood from veins from arm by venipuncture method. Then the next is method. Due to ease of access, blood is best obtained from the vein of the antecubital fossa. The rubber tourniquet is applied to the upper arm. It should not be too tight and should not remain in place for more than 2 minutes. Patient is asked to make a fist so that veins become more prominent. So due to the ease of access, the blood is best obtained from the vein by the antecubital fossa. A rubber tourniquet is applied to the upper arm. It should not be too tight and should not remain in place for more than 2 minutes. Then patient is asked to make a fist so that the veins become more prominent. Venipuncture site is cleansed with spirit and allowed to dry. Take out of the syringe and fix the needle on it and check the needle for any kind of blockage by pushing the piston and checking the air entering and blowing out of it. So take out the syringe, उसमें needle को fix किया, check the needle for any type of blockage. Check कैसे करेंगे? By pushing the piston, then check in the air entering and blowing out of it. Needle size should be 19 to 21 gauge in adults and 23 gauge in children. Apply the tourniquet and find proper vein, that is median cubital vein, which has been cleansed previously. Push the needle into the selected vein at an angle of 30 to 40 degree and take out of the required amount of blood. So push किया needle को selected vein at an angle of 30 to 40 degree और required amount of blood को take out किया. Ask the patient to release his or fist when the blood has come into the syringe. After taking blood, open the tourniquet and apply cotton swab at the site of the needle puncture. Ask the patient to fold the arm, keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is a procedure of venipuncture method. The next is the veins, which we collect the blood from these veins. The best vein for venipuncture is median cubital vein. And if this vein is not clear, then we also obtain the blood from the basilic vein or cephalic vein. So these are the veins where we from collect the blood through venipuncture method. The next is precautions. All the syringes and needles must be sterilized. Remove the needle before emptying the blood into the tube to avoid hemolysis due to rupture of red blood cells. Remove the tourniquet before removing the needle from the vein. Excess of anticoagulant and vigorously shaking for mixing the blood with anticoagulant can also become a cause of hemolysis. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.